What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, the best boom and crash trader, and in this video we're going to talk about this strategy that is going to help you catch massive pips while it's trading boom and crash. It's a very simple strategy that can make you $100 every day, $500 every day, and it's pretty much easy. We talked about this strategy in the previous video, so I'm just going to add on to what we talked about in the previous video. Okay, so if you haven't watched that video, you can watch it later after I've seen this one, so that you can just get more information on this strategy. Now, just like in the previous video, I mentioned that this strategy is very simple to apply. So while this is very simple, I'm also going to show you the settings. Don't worry, I'm also going to share with you guys the settings in this video, but I just wanted to mention how easy and simple it is. Right here on our main chart, you can see that we only have one indicator, and that is a moving average. Okay, and on our indicator window 1, we've got our MACD, which is also going to help us in the analysis part of this strategy. Now, for it to be a good strategy, it has to give you three things. Okay, if you want a good trading strategy, you should have three things answered by your strategy. Number one, you have to identify the trend. The strategy has to be able to tell you the market direction at the basis. Okay, number two, you really need to know your entry point, and number three, of course, you really need to know your exit point. So once a strategy can give you all three, then it is good for you to start trading using it. So we're gonna see how this strategy can do that, can give you all three conditions, and how is that going to help you on your entry. As you can see, we managed to catch a nice buy trade on our Crash 500. If you are in our VIP Signals group, you should know about this trade. Now I'm going to show you how you trade with this strategy, but first let's look at the settings of this strategy, just in case there are people that are watching this video for the first time or this strategy for the first time. So I'm just going to quickly go to my indicators. On our main window, we have this indicator called the alligator, and it has got the following properties. Okay, so just add them all up and click done, and you see that we'll have this green alligator running across our charts. Now this is going to be very, very important in our trading. Okay, you see why. Okay, and then on our indicator window 1, that is the bottom part of my screen, we've got the following indicators. We've got the relative strength index with the following properties. Probably these are the most important ones. You've got your buy zone at level 10, and you've got your sell zone at level 90. Okay, and then if you're done, you just click done and done, and basically what will happen is you now have these two levels created on your charts, your sell zone and your buy zone. Okay, then the last indicator that you need is your MACD, and it has got the following properties. We've got a fast EMA of 12, we've got a slow EMA of 26, and we've got a MACD SMA of 1. Then apply to close, and then on visualization, allow it to be on all time frames so that you can switch around, because we are going to be switching around time frames. Okay, and on your main, you have the blue and you have the red on your signal. And then once you're done, you simply click done, and you have something like what you see on my screen. Okay, now I will be posting these settings in our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. In that channel, you'll also be able to find other trading materials that can help you grow for boom and crash, volatility indices, and currencies as well. So feel free to join the group. It's completely free to join. Just click the link in the description box below, and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, where you'll be able to join. Now there are over 7,000 traders in that channel, and I'm sure it will be a good trading community if you are interested in boom and crash, because I also post my trading results in that group I also post my students trading results and results from our VIP signals group, where I post signals daily. So if you want to see all that information, it will be available for you for free. Just click the link in the description box below and you'll be able to join. Now, talking about VIP signals, you guys know that I do give away a spot in our VIP signals group for free every time I post a video right here, just to give back to you guys that support the channel, and for you to be able to get a chance to win. Make sure you're a subscriber, just like this video, and comment down below, and I will be picking a winner in the next video as well. So this time's winner is Juvie Nasdaq, and he or she said, let's get this channel to 40k so that more content can be uploaded. That was a nice one. And so contact us and I'll be able to add you to our VIP signals group for free for 30 days, and you'll be able to enjoy the same trades that we are enjoying each and every time I post analysis on boom and crash. So if you're really into boom and crash, you really need to join that group. So let's get back to this strategy and see how you'll be able to catch some of these spikes, as well as even go in opposite of spikes. Now this time we're going to start off from a higher time frame, because I really want you guys to maximize on your profits. Okay, if you start from a higher time frame, it means that your analysis can even go for a longer period of time, which means you can even get more and more pips from the market by just starting from a higher time frame. Okay, it doesn't limit you. If you do analysis on a lower time frame, it means you're just going to get very few information about the market, and you won't be able to make trades that can last. But if you start from the 1 hour time frame like this, all you really need to do, like I mentioned in the previous video, is you're tracking your MACD and you're tracking the position of your candlesticks in relation to that green line that you see right there. So right here you can see that we managed to take a buy trade on crash, and the market pushed all the way up to this level. Okay, pushed all the way up to this level. I actually sent this signal in our VIP signals group. You can check the results in our Telegram channel, like I said, and we took profits. Actually hit our take profit, but here was the point. Okay, we managed to see that price broke our green line, which indicates that we've got a very strong bullish momentum. Okay, and we were able to see that our MACD down here is coming from your buy zone, which is level 10 and below. Okay, so actually we can actually see that the market made the 10 from a bearish momentum into a bullish momentum, and that's when we actually confirmed by seeing price breaking our green alligator. Now the interesting part is, if you see an entry like this from the 1 hour time frame, if you go back in any time frame, right, in any time frame you can enter into a buy trade. Okay, it will have confirmed all your entries. So what I'm saying here is called time frame blending. Okay, so if you manage to see your 1 hour time frame giving you a clear bullish momentum like that, if you go back to your lower time frame, let's say the 15-minute time frame, and you've already missed that trading opportunity, you can actually enter. Remember, like we mentioned in our previous video, when we first explained this strategy, we said for you to enter into a buy trade, you need to have this red line hit your buy zone, actually be in a buy zone like this, and you have to see price crossing and going above this green line like that. So your entry was supposed to be here, but can you see that we ended up here using our 1 hour time frame, which means that a trade, this trade was actually a low risk but high return trade. Why do I say that? Because if we had entered here, there were so many chances that we would have missed or we would have made a wrong analysis just here. Can you see that here? We can see that price came and broke to be above our green line, still having the MACD in the buy zone, but this was a fake out. So I'm saying that if you then enter here, you have reduced or you have removed that risk of entering into a fake out and having a market maker get you on drawdown. So you can see that if we had entered here from this fake out, you're going to face all this retracement and all this drawdown, right? But if you enter here, it's a zero drawdown. Can you see that from the moment we entered our trade, the price never came below your entry? So here is a risky trade, this one, because you have done the analysis in your 15-minute time frame, if you remember from my first video. Okay, those who watched my first video can understand what I'm talking about. Now I'm saying if you start from a higher time frame, you're going to remove the risk of you entering into a trade that can reverse, right? You automatically know that your trade is never going to go into drawdown. Price is never going to go below your entry. It will keep on setting higher highs like it was doing here, and price will always be above your entry point. Okay, I hope you guys understood that part. So you can do this even on boom, same concept. Let's say you get a trade like this. You get a trade like this one. You see that the price is now crossing to be above your green line, and right here you also see that your MACD is coming from a buy zone, right? So basically you have seen that there must be a 10 right here from a bearish momentum all the way up to a bullish momentum. So once you have this, if you go back down into any time frame, let's say a 15-minute time frame, you can then enter zero drawdown trades. So can you see here, price will never go below your entry, so they have reduced your risk drastically. Can you see? That would be your entry, and price never went below. Can you see that price never went below that red line that you see here, that red horizontal line? Price never came back down. So you can actually enter with a 100 lot size and you will never lose that trade. It will be a zero drawdown trade because you have your 1 hour time frame to give you an entry which is from a higher time frame. So basically you are calculating using data from hours and hours, okay, using this strategy. I hope you guys can understand what I'm talking about. If you don't, please go and watch the part 1 of this strategy, then you'll be able to appreciate what I am talking about. Okay, so you will find out that these trades are very, very good, and you won't get them twice in a day. You probably get one in a day. Okay, you probably get one trade in a day like that, and you're good to go. Okay, one day in a trade, one trade in a day, and that trade will be the best trade of the day. So you really have to then learn how to manage it in terms of knowing when to take profit, knowing how much to keep holding of that trade, because it's basically a swing trade. You're getting your entry from a higher time frame like the 1 hour time frame, and there's no way that you can be scalping using that very high. We talked about this again in a video right here where we were talking about time frames and how to do time frame blending the correct way. So if you have not seen that video, again, go check it out. I think it's just a few videos back. And don't forget that if you want to win free VIP access, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and I'll be picking a winner in the next video. Definitely posting another one explaining further on how to use this strategy. We're also going to be talking about the 1 minute time frame where you can then catch spikes if you want to really maximize your wins. Okay, so stay tuned until next time.